Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, which most of you guys are going to be, my name is Deandra and thank you guys so much for stopping in and watching one of my videos. So if you guys don't know already by looking at the title, I decided to recreate Kim Kardashian's makeup look that she did for the Met Gala event. So is that what it's called? Am I saying that correctly? Is that how you pronounce it? I think so. If I'm pronouncing it incorrectly, oops. Like I pronounce everything incorrectly. It's so stupid. I thought her look was amazing. The whole smoky eye looked flawless on her. It's definitely not something that I do on a daily basis, or you know, I don't ever do like a smoked out eye look. I really like that I came out of my comfort zone. Like I said, I'm a neutral girl, so I stay with like my warm neutral. If you guys are interested in seeing how I got the Kim Kardashian inspired makeup look, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so I am just starting off with Milani Instant Touch Up. I hope you guys can't hear it, but I hear like I just put eye drops in my eyes because my contacts were like so dry. But do you guys hear water? I don't know if someone's like watering their plants outside, but I hear water. Okay, so now I'm just going to spray the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1, which I'm like almost out of. Don't you feel like when you run out of makeup products, you like run out of them like all at the same time? Because I don't know, I feel like I run out of my makeup, like I need MAC Fix Plus, like I don't know. I just feel like I run out of everything. So now I'm going to go in with Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation.
I woke up pissed off today, and baby everyone feels fake. Somewhere I lost a piece of me.
This foundation's a little white for me, but we're gonna work with it. She's so gorgeous. I don't even like know what to say, but she's like freaking gorgeous. So I think it's gonna be pretty easy, but I'm a pretty neutral girl. Like I don't really smoke out shadows or like do anything too crazy, but we're gonna try and shoot for it. So this is the look that we're going for, just like a very smoked out with like a nude lip, and I thought it was gorgeous. So I don't know, I'm excited. So I'm just excited for the turnout because this is something like I never ever do. I never like do dramatic eye looks ever, and so this is an excuse just to kind of play around. And I'm going to use the Soft Glam Anastasia palette just because it really has this beautiful dark black color, Noir. So I'm going to be using that a lot, and just to kind of start warming it up, and then I'll start adding black.
Smoking cigarettes on balconies, but I can't do this alone. Sometimes I just need a light. If I call you on the phone and you're on the other side, so when your tears roll down your pillow like a river, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. When you're screaming but they only hear you whisper, I'll be loud for you. I'll be loud for you. I got you, I promise. Let me be honest.
You guys are probably thinking like, why are you using so many browns? Like it's a black look. Well, I really want to like smoke out the black look, so the black kind of like fades. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of going with it.
Love is a road that goes both ways. When your tears roll down your pillow like a river, I'll be there for you. But you gotta be there for me too. Took a toll on me, but I made it with you next to me. Around the world
I'm just like not used to like this much like dark makeup, but we'll see.
I hope you're waiting at the end, but I can't do this alone. Sometimes I just need a light. If I call you on the phone and you're on the other side, so when your tears roll down your pillow like a river, I'll be there.
I feel like a raccoon.
I'll be there for you. When you're screaming, but they only hear you whisper, I'll be loud for you. I'll be loud for you. I got you, I promise. Let me be honest. Love is a road that goes both ways. When your tears roll down your pillow like a river, I'll be there for you.
I am not used to this much makeup, so I'm a little, it's like, I don't know, I feel like you can't even see my eyes. Can you guys see my eyes? It's like too dark for me. But it's okay. I'm actually kind of living for it. I know Kim Kardashian's hair was straight, but my hair is like 2-3 days old, so I didn't feel like doing anything. So I have a little wave to mine. Hers obviously did not, but it's an inspired look. It's fine. I'm going to go in with Rustic, and I'm just going to smoke out that bottom lash line just a little bit more. I really want it to be like really smoked out.
Running, just to keep my hands on you. Running, just to keep my hands on you. Say running, just to keep my hands on you. But you gotta be there for me too.
And she didn't wear any earrings, like no earrings. The only jewelry that she wore were, she wore 2 like cross gold necklaces.
Your tears roll down your pillow like a river. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. When you're screaming, but they only hear you whisper, I'll be loud for you. I'll be loud for you. I got you, I promise.
It's definitely a lot of freaking makeup. It is like it's full glam. I do wish I had like somewhere to go, but unfortunately I don't, so
let me be honest. Love is a road that goes both ways.
We're gonna just finish this look off with some lippy, and Kim Kardashian just went for a nude lip, and that's why I was so down for this look, because I am a nude girl and I love my nudes.
When your tears roll down your pillow like a river, I'll be there for you. But you gotta be there for me too.
I hope you guys enjoyed this recreation of Kim Kardashian's makeup look. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Last year took a toll on me.